What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast.
What do you drink at lunch?
I drink water.
Do you run every day?
Yes, I run in the park.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can jump very high.
Where do you walk?
I walk to school.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read every night.
Can you write your name?
Yes, I can write my name.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play with my friends.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Do you sing songs?
Yes, I sing many songs.
Do you dance at parties?
Yes, I love to dance.
Who cooks dinner?
My mom cooks dinner.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it every day.
Can you open the door?
Yes, I can open it.
Do you close the window?
Yes, I close it when it rains.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw animals.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
Do you hear music?
Yes, I hear a song.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I swim in the pool.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help my mom.
Do you wash your hands?
Yes, I wash them before eating.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush them twice a day.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I can count.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my uniform.
Do you smile a lot?
Yes, I smile when I'm happy.
Do you cry sometimes?
Yes, when I feel sad.
Do you laugh with your friends?
Yes, we laugh together.
Do you catch the ball?
Yes, I catch it with my hands.
Do you clap your hands?
Yes, I clap to the music.
Do you sit on a chair?
Yes, I sit at the table.
Do you stand in line?
Yes, I stand quietly.
Do you look at the stars?
Yes, I look at them at night.
Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, I always listen.
Do you throw the ball?
Yes, I throw it far.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I draw every day.
Do you pick up your toys?
Yes, I pick them up.
Do you open your book?
Yes, I open it in class.
Do you close your eyes?
Yes, when I sleep.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I ride in the park.
Do you skip rope?
Yes, I skip with my friends.
Do you paint at school?
Yes, we paint in art class.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, every morning.
Do you feed your pet?
Yes, I feed my cat.
Do you water the plants?
Yes, I water them with a can.
Do you kick the ball?
Yes, I kick it hard.
Do you color with crayons?
Yes, I color my pictures.
Do you turn on the light?
Yes, when it's dark.
Do you turn off the TV?
Yes, before bed.
Do you hug your mom?
Yes, I love to hug her.
Do you say thank you?
Yes, I always say thank you.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. Want to see your comment featured in the next video? Drop one below. I might just pick yours. See you next time.